Hello everyone, I am Kanesh Varanpurkar and I am graduate student at Binghamton University, majoring in computer science.
Hello, this is Nikita Mandlik. I am also a graduate student and doing my master's in computer science.
We have developed an faculty reviews analytical system based on natural language processing and web development uh, technologies like HTML, CSS. So uh, we have developed a project in which if the student wants to analyze uh, whether the faculty or a professor is good in that subject or particular course before the start of the semester, so he can using NLP techniques, he can find whether it is a good subject or not. So we have used Flask as a backend development and Textblob as a sentimental analysis techniques. So we are using sentimental analysis in Textblob, and based on the score we are finding whether the given comment is positive, negative, or neutral. So if the score is greater than 0, the inputted comment will be positive and the score will be printed based on the subjectivity. Additionally, if it is 0, then it is neutral and the score will be given as 0. And if it is negative, then it will be less than 0. In this way, this is the functionality of the mean sentimental analysis system. And we also use Flask-Bootstrap and a render template for backend, for connecting backend and frontend. Apart from that, we are using polarity for the classification purpose, and we have developed this model for lexicon analysis. Now my friend Nikita will explain the index.html.
So this is the file which we have created for the front end. It is a basic front end web application in which there is a form in which we have used HTML and CSS for styling. And other than that, we have used JavaScript too. So in this, there is a form in which the user can copy, paste, or type the comment and then submit it. So when it goes to the backend, it can be processed and the output can be given. Now, Kanesh will give you the demo of the app.
Okay, thank you, Nikita. So let's start with the demo. So I'm gonna run this Flask application based on Python. Entire code is written in Python for the backend. So let's start. Now it will start compiling the project. As you can see, the Flask application started and it has giving the generation that running on HTTP 127.0.01 on the port 88, which is local host application. So we'll be going after this link and let's see what will we get in this output. So in the output as a front end, you can see that it is showing faculty review analytics system, and you have to type or you have to copy paste the comment review, which is already given by someone who is like alumni or who has already taken that particular course, and we will just submit the button and we will see the output. So for this, we have taken an application based on we are using for comment from the professor Andrew Ng. He's one of the most prominent researcher and faculty in Stanford University and very famous for his courses in machine learning. So like one of his student has given this comment, so I'm gonna just copy that thing and let's paste it over here and copy. So I've just provided the comment, and now I'm gonna hit the submit button, and at the backend it will generate it that yeah, this comment is positive and the score is 0.7175. So it is also provide the polarity of the entire comment, and with that it providing a score. So by analyzing the student or the person who wants to take this course can judge whether he should opt for this courses, like that. Additionally, I'm giving a simple example that professor is not good and so coursework is very hard. So it kinds of a like a negative comment, and I'm gonna hit the submit button again. Let's see what it gives. So here you can see the comment is negative and the score is minus 0.4765, which is, we can say, like moderate range for comment, as the maximum value for a extreme value for a negative comment is -1. Now let's see the third case where the professor is doing good and we can go for a neutral comment. In this way, you can see the comment is neutral and the score is 0.0. So if there is no particular sentiments are involved with the student's comment, then the review will be like it is a neutral comment and it is not going in the scale of from like positive or negative. In this way, we have developed this project for the HackBU and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you.